SERV stock analysis. This is for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. When I'm looking at SERV Robotics, we're sitting at $9.45, 7.26% down for the day. Interesting play because we're just getting deeper inside the demand zone. There obviously could be a way that we could look at this thing from like this here, you know, and then I take it higher. So how they exactly look like is, I'm gonna just boom. Okay, this is what we have. So says that I'm waiting for the rules to be met for me to take it higher. What do I mean by that? Because now we have a new fresh data, new fresh candles. This is the highs that cause a low. So if I see a double break, I'm taking it higher. You know, like there's no questions asked. You know, I'm just gonna like stick with it and double down. So that is the way that I'm approaching SERV Robotics. This is by no means financial advice. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, just check the first link in the comments. You know, how all reviews are 5 stars. And anything more to this thing here, you just nai it. You know, just that's it.